రాజశేఖర్. మాది బైలెంపూర్ గ్రామం. మాకు కొండపోచమ్మ ప్రాజెక్టులో మునిగిపోయినాయి మా ఊరు. మాకు ప్యాకేజీలు ఇస్తా అన్నారు, ప్యాకేజీలు ఇవ్వలేదు. అక్కడ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్లో మాకు ఫోటోలు దించారు. 6 నెలలు అయిపోతుంది లాక్డౌన్ ముందు. ఆ ఫోటోలు దించిన కాడ మాకు ఇల్లు కట్టియలేదు, ఏం కట్టియలేదు. ఇప్పటి వరకు మాకు ఏ రెస్పాన్స్ ఏం లేదు. అధికారులు ఎవరు మమ్మల్ని పట్టించుకుంటలేరు. దయచేసి మమ్మల్ని పట్టించుకోవాలి, మాకు ప్యాకేజీలు ఇవ్వాలి, మాకు ఇల్లు కట్టియాలని మేము కోరుతున్నాం.
Before watching this, make sure you watch the previous videos which I posted. If you not watch them, just go watch them and come here, because that would make more sense. Now that you watch both of these videos, you know the problems these people are facing. So everyone have been messaging me that we do a fundraising campaign or provide them with clothes or groceries, but what they actually need is moral support. Day by day their hope is declining. The ray of hope which they had that officials would come and check on them and give them what they promised is declining. So what we can do is we can give them moral support this coming Sunday from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Make sure that you come with your friends, with your family over here. Talk to them so that you know the problems they're facing. Give them support, tell them that you're with them, give them moral support, come take photos, post that on Twitter, post that on social media. Make sure this issue is trending and doesn't go and exhaust like everything else in like 2 days. So now that being said, we cannot ignore the fact that there is a pandemic going on. Make sure that you follow our safety precautions. Make sure that you wear gloves and make sure you are wearing a mask and carry a sanitizer with you. Make sure that you maintain social distancing with other groups over there and even with the people you interact with. Just come here. When you with your group of friends can travel 50 to 60 kilometers to come and visit Kondapochamma Reservoir or go to a restaurant and have a meal, you can come here too. Come here for a cause, talk to them, give them support. That is what they need. We'll make sure that this video is trending on social media. Make sure that every Hyderabadi knows about this. Share this video. The Google Maps link to the location will be in the bio of my Instagram profile. Once you open the location and follow it, the destination should lead you to this place. The buildings which you see are the buildings in which they're staying in. That is the entrance. Now this is only possible because we are in the phase of unlock 4.2. If there was still lockdown, this wouldn't have been possible, and if there was no COVID, we could have planned something else, like we could have gone there together as a ride together. But as we have to take safety guidelines into consideration, we're doing this. You've seen how negatively people over there are talking, like they're even talking to the extent that they will even commit suicide if no one helps them. So let us go there, let us talk to them, let us give them emotional support. Instead of asking them what their problems are, as you already know their problems, go and talk to them, tell them that you're there with them till the end, you're there to support them, you know their problems. That would increase that would boost their confidence and that would instill that hope in them. If you are coming there this Sunday, please DM me, please let me know that you're coming. And if you're taking photos or posting any story, please tag me so that I'd feel happy, and that would even motivate me to do something like this in the future. If you're not able to be a part of this because of any reason, that is fine, but you can help us by sharing this video so that this video reaches as many people as possible. This Sunday, 13th of September, morning 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Let's do it. Let's show us that we are there to support them as a responsible citizen, as the youth of this country. It is our responsibility to check on our fellow humans. Let us do it. Let us support the people.